Building a solid financial foundation isn't optional, it's a must. When it comes to your money, age isn't just a number. At every stage of life, there are specific goals you need to hit to guarantee your financial stability. This isn't about keeping up with anyone else. It's about being prepared for life's expected and unexpected challenges. Let's go though exactly what you need to accomplish in your 20s, 30s, 40s, and beyond. Also, subscribe to Nick's Finance for actionable tips and insights that make financial planning clear, achievable, and powerful. If this video resonates, hit the like button and share it with someone who needs it. Together, we're building a community of financially empowered individuals. Your 20s, establish an emergency fund. By your mid-20s, you must have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved. This is your non-negotiable safety net for when life inevitably throws you a curveball. If this goal feels daunting, start small. Saving just $25 a week adds up. For detailed strategies, check out our budgeting videos here on our channel. Start investing early. Compound interest is your greatest financial weapon. Even small contributions to a Roth IRA or your employer's 401k can grow exponentially over time. A $100 monthly investment in your 20s could grow to over $150,000 by retirement with modest returns. Pay down high-interest debt. This decade is your best chance to tackle student loans, credit cards, and other high-interest debts head-on. Eliminating these burdens early frees up future income for wealth building. Explore repayment strategies like the avalanche method to accelerate progress. Build credit. Your credit score is the foundation for major life purchases. Use credit cards responsibly, make payments on time, and keep your credit utilization below 30%. Avoid opening multiple accounts at once. Stability matters. Develop marketable skills. Financial progress isn't just about saving, it's about earning. Invest in yourself by gaining new skills or certifications that can boost your income and fast-track your milestones. Consider fields like tech, healthcare, or finance. Industries with strong growth potential. Cultivate good habits. Your 20s set the tone for your financial future. Create a habit of reviewing your finances monthly. Are you sticking to your budget? Are your investments aligned with your goals? These regular check-ins keep you accountable. Your 30s. Increase retirement contributions. If you've been contributing the bare minimum, it's time to step up. Aim to save at least 15% of your income for retirement. Take full advantage of employer matching. It's free money. Nick's Finance has deep dives on maximizing these benefits. Don't miss them. Home ownership. Owning a home often becomes a financial goal in your 30s. Save enough for a 20% down payment to avoid private mortgage insurance. Research your options carefully to find the best fit for your budget and future plans. Remember, a house is a significant investment. Ensure it aligns with your lifestyle and financial goals. Diversify investments. Expand beyond retirement accounts. Consider brokerage accounts, real estate, index funds, stocks, or even credible cryptocurrencies. Diversifying your portfolio minimizes risk and optimizes returns over time. Life insurance and estate planning. Protect your family. Life insurance and a well-crafted will are essential if you have dependents. Revisit these plans regularly to ensure they reflect your current situation. Estate planning isn't just for the wealthy. It's for anyone who wants their loved ones cared for. Create a college fund. If you have kids, a 529 plan is a tax-advantaged way to save for their education. But prioritize your retirement over their college costs. They can borrow for school. You can't borrow for retirement. Need help navigating your options? Nick's Finance has you covered. Expand your network. Professional relationships can lead to opportunities that boost your earning potential. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and stay active on platforms like LinkedIn. Networking isn't just about getting ahead, it's about staying ahead. Your 40s? Eliminate non-mortgage debt. By the end of this decade, non-mortgage debt should be a thing of the past. Use any windfalls, bonuses, tax refunds, or inheritances to accelerate repayments. Eliminating this debt provides the financial flexibility to focus on long-term goals. Boost retirement savings. If you're behind, catch-up contributions are your chance to close the gap. By now, you should aim to have at least 3 times your annual salary saved for retirement. Falling short? Nix Finance offers practical ways to supercharge your savings. Remember, time is still on your side. Don't waste it. College savings for kids. Continue contributing to education accounts, but don't let them overshadow your retirement priorities. Open conversations with your kids about scholarships, grants, and other funding options. Teaching them financial literacy now can set them up for success later. Review long-term care options. Planning for long-term care isn't premature. Securing insurance now can protect your assets later. It's a small cost today for massive savings tomorrow. Learn more about this crucial step in our in-depth videos. Refine your budget. Reassess your spending habits. Cut out the unnecessary and channel that money into investments or debt reduction. Check out our budgeting series on Nix Finance for actionable strategies. Your 40s are a time to double down on financial discipline. Your 50s and beyond. Finalize retirement plans. By now, you should have a precise understanding of your retirement needs. Evaluate your savings and projected expenses. Consult a financial advisor to ensure your plans are airtight. If gaps exist, act now. Small changes can make a big difference. Downsize if necessary. If your home no longer fits your needs, consider selling it. Downsizing can reduce maintenance costs and free up capital for other priorities. Evaluate whether your current location aligns with your retirement goals. Maximize healthcare savings. Contribute to a health savings account, HSA, if eligible. Medical expenses are a significant retirement cost, and HSAs allow tax-free savings for these needs. Look into Medicare options and supplemental insurance plans as you approach eligibility. Focus on legacy planning. Update your estate plans. Work with a financial planner to optimize the wealth you'll leave behind, whether through trusts, charitable giving, or intergenerational wealth transfers. Ensure your beneficiaries are up to date. Small oversights can lead to big headaches. Prepare for required minimum distributions, RMDs. At age 73, you'll need to start taking RMDs from retirement accounts. Understand the rules and manage these withdrawals efficiently to avoid penalties. This is a critical step in managing your retirement cash flow. Stay engaged. Even in retirement, managing your finances is crucial. Consider part-time work or side hustles for additional income if needed. Keep reviewing your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your evolving goals. Staying proactive ensures you enjoy financial security well into your golden years. Celebrate your success. Acknowledge the milestones you've achieved. Financial planning is a marathon, not a sprint. Reflect on your journey, share your wisdom, and continue striving for progress. If you found this guide helpful, don't just stop here. Subscribe to Nix Finance for more expert-driven content tailored to your financial success. Hit the bell icon to stay updated and share this video with someone who needs it. Your financial future depends on action. Start now. Financial milestones aren't just arbitrary benchmarks. They're your roadmap to a secure and fulfilling life. The earlier you act, the easier it is to achieve them. And if you're behind, don't waste time worrying. Get to work. Progress is what counts, not perfection.